How to make a glow effect in Photoshop. So this is a file size. You can find stroke link in the description and follow the process. Now apply color balance from the adjustments layer, clip to the layer and follow the method. Apply hue and saturation from the adjustments layer and clip to the layer. Now create a new layer and make a shadow by following this process. Now create a new layer, right click and create a clipping mask and start painting. Again create a new layer and make a selection like this. Now add layer mask and blend this by following this process. Right click and blending option and click on outer glow and follow this setting. Now apply hue and saturation from the adjustments layer, colorize, clip to the layer and normal to linear touch at and follow this setting. Click to the slider by holding Alt and this will split into two. Now you can adjust this according to your. Now choose the color from the image and apply. Decrease the flow according to your. Apply color lookup from the adjustments layer and click on this and decrease the flow according to your. Now select the background layer and go to the filter, blur and Gaussian blur and follow the process. So this is the final result and thanks for watching.